Hi, I'm Shirley. I'm gonna show my presentation. My topic is outsourcing. Speaking of outsourcing, maybe you feel a little bit strange for it. Mm, It's not a common word in our normal life, but it's used by many companies nowadays. It's a way to manage company. So, what is outsourcing? A practice used by different companies to reduce costs by transferring portions of work to outside supplier rather than completing it internally. In other words, outsourcing is a company transfer some parts of their work to other supplier or other companies to complete it in order to reduce costs. It has many advantages. The first one is swiftness and expertise. Most of the time, tasks are outsourced to vendors who specialize in their field. The outsourced vendors also have specific equipment and technique expertise, most of the times better than the ones at the outsourcing organization. Effectively, the tasks can be completed faster and with better quality output. The second one is concentrating on core process. Outsourcing the supporting process gives the organization more time to strengthen their core business process. The third one is risk sharing. One of the most crucial factors determining the outcome of a campaign is risk analysis. Outsourcing certain components of your business process helps the organization to shift certain responsibility to the outsourced vendor. mm, Since the outsourced vendor is a specialist, they plan your risk mitigating factors better. Number four is reduced operational and recruitment costs. Outsourcing eludes the need to hire individuals in-house, hence recruitment and operational costs can be minimized to a great extent. On the contrary, it also has many disadvantages. Let's talk about it. The first one is risk of exposing confidential data. When an organization resources HR, payroll, and recruitment service, it involves a risk if exposing confidential company information to a third party. Number two is synchronizing the deliverables. In case you do not choose the right partner for outsourcing, some of the common problem areas include stretched delivery time frames, substandard quality output, and inappropriate categorization of responsibilities. At times, it's easier to regulate these factors inside an organization rather than with a resourced partner. Number three is hidden costs. Although outsourcing most of the time is effective at times, the hidden costs involved in signing a contract while signing a contract across international boundaries may pose a serious threat. Number four is lack of customer costs. An outsourced vendor may be catering to expertise needs of multiple organizations at a time. In such situation, vendors may lack complete focus on your organization's tasks. These are the disadvantages of outsourcing. As we know, outsourcing is a popular way to manage company. Let me give you some examples. Boeing Company, which is the most biggest airplane manufacturing company in the world. But in Boeing Company, it just produces airfoil. Other parts of the airplane, Boeing Company doesn't produce this. This Boeing Company gives this work to other supplier. Number two is Nike. Nike is a famous sporting brand in the world. It's very popular, especially their sneakers. But in Nike company, it doesn't produce any sneakers. Uh, Moreover, Apple companies is also an example of outsourcing. Apple companies is very famous in the world. It produces many electronic devices like iPhone, but it doesn't have their own factory. The work of manufacturing these products is uh, is outsourced by different suppliers in different countries. All of these three companies are the examples of outsourcing. This is my presentation. Thank you.